Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our M1 Finance Roth IRA spreadsheet. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. As far as our account balance is up to $22,338.17. And we've received a total amount of $531 in dividends. As far as the deposits for the month of June, we were able to add $532 to our account, which that brings our total up to $6,000, which is the max contribution for 2021. So as you can see, we've got 3 full years worth of deposits in this account. As far as the purchases, we were able to add almost 2 shares of VTI with our deposits. And we are at the point now to where all of our future purchases are going to be from our money making money. So as you can see right here, we were able to add another $105.09 worth of VTI to our account with our dividend money. As far as all the dividends we received for the month, we received $16.37 from SPHD, $15.88 from VTI, $47.08 from VYM, $51.26 from QYLD, which that was 2 dividend payments for the month of June, the way it fell this year. And then we were also able to receive $3.42 from VCLT for a total of $134.01. That's officially the largest amount of dividends we've received in our Roth IRA, and that brings the yearly total so far for 2021 up to $323.70, which is pretty awesome. So as you can see, we're starting to get a pretty substantial amount of shares, which is producing a substantial amount of dividends. So this is the goal of our Roth IRA, is to create tax-free income for when we retire, and we're going to do that through these few ETFs we've decided to purchase. So as the dividends come in, right now we're just going to buy more shares. We're currently working on adding more of VTI. And then when we retire, we will hopefully use our dividend income to cover our cost of living. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to leave a like. And also don't forget to subscribe. And remember, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our Roth IRA portfolio, our Fidelity Held Savings Account, and our M1 Finance Growth portfolio. As you can see, altogether, we have gotten quite a bit of money in this account, where our value of our account is up to $38,000. And we've received a total of $1,084 worth of dividends. If you want to watch more investing videos, click one of the ones on the screen or check the sidebar. Thanks for watching.